Catmint's genus is widespread across the Old World parts of Europe, Asia, and Africa. Though its precise origin is not known, it is believed to be a hybrid of garden origin. It is cultivated for its attractive, aromatic foliage and masses of blue flowers, as a ground cover, border edging, or in pots or rock gardens. Catmint is similar to catnip, but does not stimulate cats. It is a low-growing, mounded plant with attractive gray-green foliage. Its profuse blue flowers appear in early summer and again through the monsoon season. It's heat and drought tolerant once established. It self-seeds and can spread, almost to the point of becoming weedy. Catmint flowers are lavender and are used as a culinary herb similar to mint. Catmint's beauty combines nicely with other perennials that enjoy the same growing conditions: sages, yarrow, lamb's ear, verbena, roses, or lavender. And for pollinators, especially honeybees, catmints are an excellent source of nectar. They are a great beginner plant. Catmint is an edible plant that is mostly and commonly used as a medicinal herb tea rather than being eaten directly. It is believed to be useful in relieving stress, menstrual cramps, flu symptoms, and digestive symptoms.